So what this is a video analysis that does machine learning for behaviors. So it can detect fighting and also fall. So here is what it pre-recorded scenes. So when fighting happens, the notification actually pops up, like fight detected. And another incident would be falling. So here's another scenario. And when incidents happen, the fall or fight, the emotion is detected. So that's when your security guards, they get notified from their phone or their control center, and then they're able to see the live view of what's happening.
Quick demo of our intercom solution, our Q950, by comparing the fisheye camera with RFID sensor. So now I'm using the wireless. Okay, so as you can see, this is wireless. It was showing as a green light, so it is approved. If it's a blacklist, so it will basically do a snapshot and do a red indicators and send alert to the control center and snapshot the video and send it to the guard to keep an eye on it.
The idea of essential management is for two things. One is efficiency, two is simplicity. Say you're an owner of multiple stores in multiple locations. This server will allow you to access different servers, and with only one interface, you won't have to go through all the servers and then log in and log out. Or if it's only one single location, but you have multiple servers within, for example, for a campus, you will have different servers for different buildings. You don't have to present all the monitors from all the servers. You will use only one central management. You will be able to access all different servers, and you will see every cameras that you want to see, and you will be able to use our different views to put together all the cameras you think that you want to focus. And the TVO server would be an advance from this central management to be able to use multiple screens to show all the cameras. And it's very easy to use. You just have to decide what kind of layout you would prefer, and you would just drag the cameras that you want to see, and voila, it will be shown on the TVO server. So it's a simple step. The function and the layout design is pretty much like our VR3, so it's easy to use. You don't have to learn anything extra.
Welcome to the people counting station. So this scenario is designed for retail projects. So we can start from the Cobra camera at the gate over here. This is our high strip mount, and here's the Cobra camera buried behind the high strip mount. So you can see on the monitor, this Cobra camera will be able to capture customers' facial feature very clearly and in a very discreet way. And with the tilt mount at the back of the high strip, it changed the angle of the high strip a little bit more to the center of the gate, so that will face customer's face better. Here on the screen, this will show the result of our people counting static. So our people counting camera will be up there at the gate. The analytic solution that we use will be drawing the line between the gate on the floor, so whenever there are people going in or out, the camera will count the head of the customer and show the result on the screen. Now I'm going to walk inside and outside and show you the change on number.
Now I am here to introduce you to our mobile client. Basically, if you are going to take a break, you cannot be in the central station, you can just go ahead and take your phone with you, go to the bathroom, go have lunch, and then you can still have control over everything, see all the cameras, maps and all that, and at the same time get push video notifications so you can be always ready. Emergency server client, which basically gives you the option to transform your mobile device into one additional camera in your system, and it gives you a lot of flexibility when you are not in the station. So basically you have two options. Number one would be to push video to your central station. As you can see, you just take out your mobile device, tablet, iPhone, and then you can, on real time, push video. You will also get a email notification over here so people know where you're located. In case that you're not able to talk to your central station through your communicator, you also have the option to send an alarm. which will enable you to in real time start a conversation. You can see here, you send, and then they get your message, and then you can just go ahead and start a conversation. They can tell you how to proceed and maintain security at all times and everywhere in your facility.
This stand actually shows the pulse verification of ACTi's solution. And just think of it as a counter. And this is where ACTi solution covers not only the pulse information, but also the security parts and also the operation management. The focus here is on the prevention of the loss of the owner. So, for example, first of all, we can have some application of our hover cameras along the shopping line, so that whenever some shoppers try to cash out, but there's a missing item that's unpaid, the clerk will be able to notice it and then try to settle it with the customer. This is one of the applications with a hover camera and with a live view screen. Then come back to the system itself. We have done the integration with the system along with the video feed, so that whatever you input here will be shown on the screen, and whenever every payment is made here and there's any mismatch in the future, you will be able to come back to the system to show and to search by case, by item, by invoice number. You will have the video recording evidence showing how the mismatch is made, and try to prevent it in the future.
This is the Smart Shopping Assistant Station. What you see here is the ACTi solution interaction with the customer based on age, gender, and RFID as well. What you see in front of you right now is an advertisement that is based on the age and gender group that is standing in front of the camera. So here you will have me. In the picture, it shows I am a young adult male, and so the advertisement that is being displayed is for young adult males. Be able to use the RFID tag and the age and gender group to display the advertisement based on all these different metadata that's included.
So here's our incident management server. You can see the software here on the screen. For property owners or customers, they can categorize incidents by equipment, employee, or customer. So these incidents can be created automatically or manually. For example, with cameras that comes with noise detection, whenever the camera detects noise, fighting, or yelling, the incidents will be recorded automatically, and all the data can be analyzed and generate report to show the manager which incident to keep an eye on and have a better control over their property.
Center has three major functions. The first one is you can ask anything about ACTi.
What is the resolution of B27?
The maximum resolution of B27 is 3 MT.
And the second one is to give voice command for security cameras.
Show me the POS station.
Going to pause station. Any other questions?
Show me the airport.
Going to Songshan Airport. Any other questions?
And lastly, as a business store owner, you can ask anything about your business.
Open my dashboard.
Opening Moss Retail Buy. Any other questions?
What was my shop's revenue yesterday?
Yesterday's revenue was $720.